Due to the unprecedented challenges facing our industry because of the global COVID-19 pandemic and the associated social distancing, we find ourselves in an extremely challenging situation. This is our new reality. We must accept it while we do our very best to remain productive and protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. History has shown that companies who proactively respond to crisis can increase their business by as much as 20%, while those who do not suffer much more than necessary. At Paradigm, we're here to help. As the industry's largest and most experienced provider of agent-created virtual tour and remote marketing services, enabling tens of thousands of agents to create virtual open houses for 20 years, we help you use your sales skills to market remotely. Using VisualTour, you can easily hold virtual open houses, do virtual walkthroughs, chat directly with your clients, and help you stay connected in a world where we need to separate ourselves physically. We want you to have the tools you need to be successful while staying safe. That's why we're offering you our full suite of services absolutely free for 4 weeks. No setup fees, no monthly fee, no contract, just free access to all our services. So what is a virtual open house remote tour? A virtual open house tour is an online walkthrough of a listing that is created by you using your sales skill and the VisualTour technology platform to show and explain everything about the listing. These virtual open house tours are easily created using any and all of the following: still or panoramic digital photos, video clips of yourself, the property, or even the neighborhood, your text descriptions of each scene that will be automatically converted to voice using Amazon's amazing Polyvoice, which is a text-to-speech technology. The combination of visual scenes and spoken voice allow you to use your sales skills to guide the buyer through the property very much like you would do it in person. The prospective buyer can also contact you directly from the tour using the chat box, which instantly connects them to you using text messaging. In addition to creating virtual open house tours, VisualTour by Paradigm includes a fantastic suite of other marketing tools and assets that help you market yourself and your listings remotely, thus keeping a safe distance. These assets are all generated automatically from your tour, and they include branded SEO-enhanced property sites for every listing, YouTube videos, electronic flyers, automated social media postings, and many, many other features. To see how easy it is to create these virtual open house tours, just click on the Getting Started link in the email or in the description below this video. To take advantage of this offer, or for more information, visit paradigm.com/together. Click the Getting Started link in the email or click the link in the video's description. From all of us at Paradigm, we wish you safety and success. We're here to help.